Hey gamers, welcome to another video. So in this video I'll show you how to quickly set up a local user account on Windows 11 so you don't have to sign in to Microsoft. So first thing we are going to do is hit Shift and F10 when you are on this screen. This will open up a command prompt, and then you'll want to type in the following command to be prompted to set up a local user account. I'll put this command down in the description below. So the command is start ms-cxh local only. We'll hit enter and be prompted to create the new user for this PC. So you can name it whatever you like and set your password. And this will hopefully boot you into Windows with a local account. I'm going to name it Babalu. After doing that, it'll take some time to get everything ready for your new local user account. And after going through all the Windows prompts to set up your machine, you should see when you boot into Windows that you have a new local user. This is the current working method for Windows 11 on setting up local user accounts. I hope that this video helps y'all out. Let me know if it does, and stay tuned for more tech videos and some new music that will be coming out that you could hear at the beginning of this video. And I hope that y'all like it, and I'll see y'all next time.